I am playing Roblox Head Girl the Zombie by UT Pack Stabber. So I hope you enjoyed this cool video. Okay, just shut the door. I hope you guys having a rainy day because I am recording. Okay, boys and girls, here we go. Yeah, Roblox Head Girl the Zombie. Well, yeah, I haven't played this game before. They updated Screen Map Recorder and it's called Escape Head. I think there is a key around this. Unlock this door. Oh, my squares are unlocked. Subscribe to Backstabber on YouTube. Okay, we got the key. Okay. Screen Map Recorder is its eye. I mean, now you have to. Okay, just. What a mess. Okay, be really careful. I might put 2 parts in this. Oh, okay. I need to go there. Oh, boys and girls. Here we go, boys and girls. Huh. Might do a little bit today because you can only record this for 50 minutes. I'm not gonna be oofing here. Hard at work. Well, I played this the other day on my silver laptop and I completed this. Okay, here we go, guys. Party! Party! Party in the elevator! Party in the elevator! Okay, sorry about that, guys. I think I'm going to do a few things today because something weird is going on. Ah! I missed oof. Okay, no, thank you, because I actually come back. Okay, I hashtag. Yeah, subscribe to Series Kids hashtag not on YouTube. Yeah, subscribe to that. And Riley's Gaming. Well, you subscribe to their channels. If you don't know about their channels, you need to subscribe to them. My other channels. Through the vent. We're going through the vent. Oh man. Woohoo! Woohoo! I played it on my red laptop before, but I'm playing a different game now. Lights out. Okay, what do we need to do? Red, yellow, red. I knew these. Yellow. Okay, it's a little bit glitchy, you know. The lights have turned off by mysterious crest. Yeah! Hey you, come back here. Oh, he just found me. No. Yay! Let's escape. Isn't the elevator? Okay. Who? Ah! Oh no! 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 What has happened? Court? What does court mean? Hello. Hello. Yeah. Hello, just recording. Some people are asking, are you recording? Yes, I am recording. I am recording. Of it. Okay. Almost got 11 minutes to record to end the video. Yeah. It can only take 15 minutes to record. I don't know which way to play Roblox headquarters. Well, I know the way because Jake helped me this stage all the time. He helped me help this stage. Okay, here we go, vent time. Yeah. Alarms! Oh man. We just evacuated a little bit. Yeah. I'm going a little bit faster. Ah! Oh no. Oh no. Get part of the elevator. Yeah, get in find the elevator. Party, party, party in the elevator. Party in the elevator. Stand on the floor. Oh, the door is about to open. Oh, I got 50 minutes. I got 10 minutes left to record, and I'm really sorry about this, guys. I might do another episode about this. Yeah, I'll do another episode about this half of the stage. It's a little bit different because I'm doing a few things because I only get 15 minutes recording. Not unfair. Okay, let's prove that I can Mr. Duck in the next video. I'm on stage 9, you know, yeah. I think the next video I will might be playing Jailbreak. This stage is really hard. No. It's really awesome. Wait, I was almost there! Guys, guess what? I was almost. They updated it! We are flying up the sky before. Storytelling as the things I might stop recording. Yeah, about 10 minutes I will be ending the vid. Lasers like Planet X had laser guns. One day I was shooting. We were doing the videos, but I didn't record this because Jake was in this. He was helping me. But I can't do the glitch. What? Oh, she's on phone. Yeah. I have to do normal ones. Yeah. Okay. Breaking the sincerely. Oh man. There's my seat. Ha ha ha. Okay, you need to hack this. Okay. I might stop recording now. Yeah, later. In a minute. A few minutes now. Okay. That one's there. I'm gonna touch blue. Ah, we're hacking. I hope this video gets really good. Subscribe. Yeah. Subscribe to Wise Gaming One and Jim Brown on YouTube. Okay. Oh, I forgot to do. Okay. So I'm just hacking. Well, I mean, oh my god, my mistake. Shutting. Really? Aha. Oh, there we go. It's annoying now. It's not annoying because the dogs are so many times. I've been recording about almost 8 minutes now. Aha, we're almost ending. Yeah. 2 minutes left before we stop recording because, yeah. It's a vid. Last time I did 7 minutes, I guess. Yeah, it was a quick video. This video is going to be a little bit longer. You get teleported in this one. Ooh! Oh, the only way out. Ah! I was just jumping. I just wish I was got a TikTok and my phone from Dano. I will might subscribe to him on YouTube in the next video. Back into our school video, aren't we? Okay, we got a few minutes. I'm gonna put it 11. Which vote would it be? I think so. We could finish it up in time. It's a quick obby. Told me about this, but I'm really hard. Yep. Oh no, it's a bad obby. I believe I fly. Let's go to the sewers now. We were almost there. Oh yeah. Oh. But it's hard when you do that thing. Hit down. Hop. Okay. I think we're almost there. Smelly sewers. Oh no, not the sewers again, he's saying. I think I played this one weekend time, yeah. Okay, apple. Broken pipe. I got 5 minutes to record this, so don't worry about the zombie. Okay, we got stink. Yeah, actually, yeah, I don't want to oops. I think in the next video we're going to play Grandma Obby, yeah. Bullshit. That we are not to oof! Yeah, we're not going to oof. Googly slime. Almost there, guys. Guys, we're almost there. The end. Obby! I think we should do all of them, because it's really quick. I want one more stage to do before we end the video! Okay, I've got 4 minutes to leave this game. Okay, here we go. Yay! We did it! It's 11 minutes. Okay. Data plane, gaming. And stadium can be used. Yahoo! And it's daily. It's daily. Woo! Okay. Okay, boys and girls, I might do it for 15 minutes though. I'm almost running out. Woohoo, Roblox headquarters. You guys look right there. This is the head here. Ah! What? I just died. Oh, that is interesting, weird. Hi, Mitzi, get out, get out, get out, get out! Well, he doesn't matter about baby. Well, guys, I think we're going to do it to 15 minutes. No, about 30 minutes, because, yeah, everyone, remember, subscribe and like to William Jake and Sophie TV, and next week, though, we're going to do another Screen Mac Recorder video. Yeah, hi, car. Yeah, just need to do hashtag It's Sita. I was a woman just for Miko. Says it gets a bug just for Miko. Thank you so much for watching. Hit the subscribe button and notification to never miss another Roblox video. And I will see you soon. In a few months, we're going on the vlog. See you soon.